Let's make cookies and cream cookies. These cookies and cream cookies are crisp on the outside, they're chewy on the inside, and they are packed with double cookie goodness. There are actual cookies inside of these cookies. These are super simple to make in under half an hour, and they are absolutely addictive. My family loves them. The first thing you need to do is break up your Oreo cookies. You don't have to use Oreo cookies, you can use any sandwich cookies that you like. What you do have to do is break them up into pea-sized pieces. You don't want to chop them and you don't want to crush them because you want some nice chunks of cookies in your cookies. Mix together all of the dry ingredients. Then mix together all of the wet ingredients. Our egg replacer for these cookies is a flax egg, but you don't need to mix it up separately. You're going to add the flax meal and the water directly to the wet ingredients. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix it together until you have a pretty cohesive but still somewhat sticky dough. Add the broken up Oreos and the white chocolate chips and fold those in. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drop on spoonfuls of the dough. You want to use about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of dough per cookie. And you might need to use 2 cookie sheets for this, or you can do like me and do it in 2 rounds so that you don't dirty 2 cookie sheets. Bake your cookies and cool them, and then it's cookie o'clock. These just have an incredible texture and they're super vanilla-y, and then you'll get these bites with creamy white chocolate chips or crunchy chocolatey broken up Oreos. They are absolutely addictive. Your cookies and cream cookies will keep for about 3 to 4 days in a closed container on the kitchen counter or in the pantry. They might last longer, but I do not know because my family always devours these immediately. You can use regular Oreos or chocolate sandwich cookies, or you can mix up the flavors by using different flavors of Oreo. You know how they're always coming out with these fun, creative flavors? Throw them in a cookie and see what happens. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these cookies and cream cookies. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!